Hey there, fitness business owners. Are you tired of struggling to generate leads for your business on social media? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. Introducing the Fitness Lead Machine System, a program that will transform your social media profiles into lead-generating powerhouses. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the features, specifications, and pricing of this incredible system. So, let's get started. Are you a beginner or a professional in the fitness industry? It doesn't matter. The Fitness Lead Machine System is designed to work for everyone. This interactive blueprint will guide you on how to optimize your social media profiles, ensuring that you capture unlimited free leads for your business. Yes, you heard it right, unlimited free leads. But how does it work? Well, the system emphasizes the importance of interacting on social media to generate traffic. By following a step-by-step process, you'll learn how to create a powerful lead trap that will capture leads from your social media platforms. Imagine having a constant stream of leads flowing into your business, even while you sleep. That's the power of the Fitness Lead Machine System. Not only is this system incredibly effective, but it's also incredibly versatile. It is compatible with popular social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. No matter where your target audience hangs out, you'll be able to reach them and convert them into paying customers. One of the key features of the Fitness Lead Machine System is its 9-point optimization system. This system will help you transform your social media profiles into lead traps that capture the attention of potential customers. With just a few tweaks, you'll be able to attract your ideal clients and turn them into loyal followers. But it doesn't stop there. The Fitness Lead Machine System goes above and beyond by integrating with sales funnels. This means that you can easily capture leads from organic social media traffic and guide them through a seamless sales process. Say goodbye to manual lead generation and hello to automated growth. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. The Fitness Lead Machine System is mobile-friendly, allowing you to generate on-demand traffic wherever you are. Whether you're at the gym, on the go, or relaxing at home, you can effortlessly optimize your social media profiles and capture leads. It's like having a marketing team in your pocket. So, are you ready to take your fitness business to the next level? The Fitness Lead Machine System is here to help you grow your business on autopilot 24/7. And the best part? It's available for just $7. Plus, you have nothing to lose with our 14-day money-back guarantee. Don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to get instant access to the Fitness Lead Machine System and start generating unlimited free leads for your business today. Remember, success is just a few clicks away. Get started now and see the incredible results for yourself. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Join the Fitness Lead Machine System family and watch your business soar.